Hello and welcome to NewsX Auto. My name is Sharaz and I have the new Bajaj Pulsar NS400 with me. And you guys have been anticipating, when the video would come. And thankfully, this video is not covered under embargo. So I can show you the seat height today itself. Alright. Now, most of you would know about my height and my inseam, but then I expect more and more people to watch this video. Some people would be watching it for the first time. I will tell you my height, I will tell you my inseam, but towards the end of the video, so that you watch the video. And in this video you will know if you are around my height. More importantly, if you have an inseam similar to mine, how would you fare on this motorcycle? Alright. Okay, as you can see, this is my natural comfortable position, slightly behind the foot peg. Now this would vary from person to person. This is my preference. In fact, the way your foot falls down naturally, alright, that would be the most comfortable position for you. Now for some people it would be this, some it would be this, for some it would be this. This is the most comfortable position for me. And similar thing on the right hand side, my foot is actually falling just behind the foot peg, right foot peg as well and the left foot peg as well. Now the most important bit, I cannot tiptoe on both sides at the same time, and I'll tell you what, you don't need to. One foot at a time would give you that confidence. And see, say for example, if you are rolling to a stoplight, you need to have one brake covered, and more often than not it should be your rear brake. So you should have your right foot over the rear brake covering, and when you want to now, the light is green and you want to move, you will do this and start. Alright, so now is the time. I'll tell you about my height. It is just 5'1". My inseam is 27 inches. And I've been riding for over 25 years now. So, if you are a newbie, absolute newbie, and if you have a 27-inch inseam, would I recommend this bike to you? No. Does that mean that, if you really love this motorcycle and you should not be buying it? No. Please go ahead and buy it by all means. Put in a lot of practice and you would be able to ride this motorcycle. But my job is to tell you, the reality. It is not going to be a very comfortable affair, to be honest. But then if I can ride this motorcycle, so can you. So that was the long and short of it, or the tall and short of it. I hope you liked the video. Do leave a comment, and please do subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.